Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. The topic that we will discuss today it is the alkali and alkaline earth metals along with their occurrence. So let's have a look at where the alkali and alkaline earth metals are found. Basically, alkali and alkaline earth metals are from the group 1A and from group 2A in the periodic table, and all these are too much reactive, and as they are more reactive, so always we found in the form of combined state. So this is the first nature of the alkali metals, that in which type they can be existed. So mainly the occurrence of alkali earth metals, at the word alkali it is related to the bases. They produces bases when get dissolved in water, and the alkaline earth metals, they are basically having the basic nature, but on the other hand they are found in the earth crust in the natural form, so that's why they are known as alkaline earth metals. And the alkaline earth metals include beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. On the other hand, the group 1A elements or alkali metals, they include lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. All these are known as the alkali metals. So, in what type of nature they can exist? Let's have a look on this. So, first we have the occurrence of alkali metals. Alkali metals, they are most reactive metals, so they do not exist in the free state. Always they exist in the combined state. As they exist in the combined state, so they can form different compounds. They may occur in the form of halides or having bond with the halogens. They may also exist in the form of borates with the boron. They can react with the silicon and form the bond like they may react with the nitrates or nitrogen dioxide and changes into the nitrates, and they may react with the oxygen and they make the oxides. So it always exists in the combined states. Let's have an example. We have the first element, which is lithium. When it combines with the oxygen, it just forms the lithium oxide. On the other hand, when it just reacts with the halogen atom, then it will form lithium fluoride. It may form the lithium chloride. So all these are simple combined states of the alkali metals. Then some alkali metals occur abundantly in nature. They have large percentage on the earth crust. So we have two metals, which is sodium and potassium. They are eighth abundant element in the earth crust by weight. It means they approximately covers 2.4% of this earth crust, and they are present in the nature. So the most of the earth crust that is composed of insoluble aluminosilicates of alkali metals. So they are mainly composed of aluminosilicates, and these silicates are mainly of the alkali metals. So they mainly consist of different types of elements, and there are also many mineral forms of the alkali metals. For example, we have the rock salt, which is NaCl. It is also known as the halite, and it is present in nature. We have its form, that is borax. The formula for the borax, we have sodium, it is 2p4o7, along with the hydration molecules 10H2O. So this is the formula of borax, and it is a mineral of sodium. Along with that, we have also the mineral of the potassium. For example, we have potassium chloride, KCl, and its name is sylvite. So this is a simple occurrence of the alkali metals. After that, we have the occurrence of the alkaline earth metals. Mainly the alkaline earth metals, we have beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, and barium. And then we have abundance in the earth crust by weight, which is in the parts per million. So beryllium is 2.0 parts per million of the earth crust, magnesium is 27640, calcium is 1.84, strontium is 384, and the barium is 390 parts per million of the total Earth crust surface. Then, what type of mineral salts are present for the alkaline earth metals? The beryllium exists in the form of beryl, where its formula is this, and magnesium can exist in the form of carnallite and dolomite, with magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate, along with the water of hydration. The calcium exists in the form of fluoropatite with Ca5PO4 whole thrice and fluorine. We have also the mineral of strontium and barium, and these are their formula: barium sulfate and strontium sulfates. On the other hand, their natural occurrences, they are found in the earth crust. They are having rock-like structure. The magnesium is formed or found in the form of carmelite, magnetite, and dolomite. It's mean we have three mineral source for the magnesium, and it is basically extracted from seawater. Then we have calcium. It is found in the chalk, limestone, gypsum, and anhydrite. All these compounds contain magnesium and calcium in them. So this is the simple overview about the occurrence of the alkaline earth metals. I hope you guys understand about the topic, that how we can found their occurrence in different nature. So if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon. And the next topic that we will discuss, it is the peculiar behavior of the lithium. For that time, you guys have a good day, and Allah Hafiz.